everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 862 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm really excited to be trying out a Macqueen New York product. So this is called New York, that's just the name of this brand, but this is actually an Asian beauty product from the Stylevana website, which if you're not familiar with that website, it's an amazing Asian beauty website. They have everything on there, so many products, and I'm so excited that Stylevana sent me some awesome makeup products to try out. They're all from this brand Macqueen, which I'm really excited about. It looks like beautiful products, but at a very affordable price. This here retails for $5.99. I got it in the shade Vivid Pink. And I did see on the website this also comes in an orange shade, but what it is a lip balm. And isn't this the most beautiful packaging? But before I forget, I want to let you know that I have a 10% off coupon code for the Stylevana website. It's INF10 Christy. I'll of course have that in the description down below, and that'll get you 10% off until June 27th. So this product was sent to me for free, but this is not a sponsored video. I actually showed this in my PR unboxing that I posted recently, where I unboxed a lot of amazing products. In that video, you can see all of the Macqueen products that I got. So I'll have that video linked down below in the description if you want to see it. First off, look at this beautiful packaging. And then it twists up like a lipstick. I don't get any scent to this, no fragrance, which is not a bad thing, but it's so cute. My lips are feeling pretty dry. When are they not? Let me first start with a little swatch. Ooh, this actually does have a little baby pink tint to it. See that? That is a really pretty tint. From how it looks in the packaging, it looks so light that I didn't really expect there to be color, but that is amazing. And I love the shape of this. It just seems like such a glamorous product when you just pull it out of your purse. You want to quickly apply some lip balm, but it's so affordable. So let's see how it looks on my actual lips. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. It said that the shade mixes with your natural lip color, and that's exactly what happened. So this seems to be one of those products that kind of adjusts to your coloring. I feel like it somehow got darker, but became the perfect shade. It's such a gorgeous shade of pink that I feel like is so flattering. Wow. And then on top of this gorgeous color, it just feels so nice and completely hydrating on my lips. It has a little bit of sheen, but I just think it looks amazing. So flattering, smoothed out my dry lips. But this color, I just love it. It really did seem to magically adjust to the perfect shade. So this really is so easy to apply, so easy to use. I think this shade looks really good with just a natural look because it does give a little flush of color, little emphasis to the lips, which looks so pretty. But it also does add enough of a lip color that even if you wanted to wear this with a fancy eye look, something a little bit more dolled up and glam, this shade would still look so nice. Now I'm curious if there's transfer. No transfer at all. So it kind of is a little bit like a lip stain in how it changes color, but then how it doesn't actually have any transfer or leave a mark. I just am so impressed. Well, it's safe to say that my first Macqueen product that I tried out was awesome and I love it, and I will definitely get so much use out of this. I just love a quick and easy lip balm, but even better when it has color to it. Well, now I can't wait to try out my other Macqueen products. And again, if you're interested in trying out any of these products yourself, check out the description for my discount code. I'll also put it on the screen here so you can get 10% off your purchase. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video. Stay safe and healthy.